Alright, so this video is going to be hopefully a brief overview of how to install a Stockbridge style vibration damper into a pole before it's erected. Tools you'll need is a fish tape and a special 3/8 stud with a swivel that flagpoles can provide, a 9/16 socket with a ratchet and a short extension if you like, a 3/8 torque wrench, good for around 20 foot-pounds. I prefer that we use Loctite 263 thread locker, the red style, and if you really want to go all the way, some 7649 primer. The Stockbridge damper looks like this. It comes with a set of stainless steel 3/8 16 bolts, flat washers and lock washers. The damper has an upper end and a bottom end. The upper, you can tell because of the shorter length of cable, and the lower weight is hung on a much longer section of cable. And we call this aluminum piece the standoff. So to start, set your vibration damper at the end of the pole, preferably with someone helping you. Take your fish tape, let a long length out, more than you'll need. Set that to the side. And come in close here. So it's important that you insert our stud and swivel in the lower hole. Fish that through, and then as gently as you can send it up the pole. Just be careful at the top because you may run into some wire access holes or the J-hook, the wire hook. So have somebody at that end to help you get the line out. Once that's out, it's definitely easier as a two-person job. It's kind of, with the length of the poles that we're dealing with, you have to be a two-person job. We're going to thread this into our lower hole. The stud just spins in. Because of the swivel, it's allowed to spin. Just go in a few turns. You don't have to go all the way. In fact, you shouldn't go all the way because you want a little bit sticking out. And just remember that the shorter length of cable is to the top and the longer length of cable is to the bottom. Now this is where it's really important to have two people. You're going to start sending the weight or the vibration damper into the pole, but at the same time you'll have somebody helping you draw that fish tape down the pole. And just be careful because there's going to be J-hooks inside potentially and wire access holes inside the end of the pole that the damper might get hung up on. So you don't want to pull too hard on our fish tape. So once the damper is fully inserted into the pole, we can gently pull the weight, pull the damper down. And with any luck, our swivel and stud will come through our lower hole. We'll take one of our bolts, and I will say, I'm not going to do it for the video, but brush your primer onto the bolt and the threaded holes before inserting this, and then some red thread lock on the bolts and the holes on the standoff. We're going to come in close here. We're pulling this stud up until the standoff hits the inside of the pole. And you can thread this bolt in by hand. Till it's snug. And now we can unwind our stud. Thread our bottom bolt in. Snug these up with a ratchet. Switch over to our 3/8 torque wrench. set this to 20 foot-pounds. And that's it. All done. Thank you.